Hello. The following are examples of how to divide radicals with negative numbers. Let's start with letter A. Letter A says the square root of negative 20 divided by the square root of negative 2. I want to simplify both the numerator and denominator. Kind of. The square root of negative 20 I could simplify fully as 2I square root of 5. I don't want to do that, however. I just want to make the I come out front and leave just the 20 inside of the radical. And we're going to be dividing by the denominator simplification, I times the square root of 2. Notice that the I and the I are dividing each other, which means they cancel each other. All I'm left with is the square root of 20 divided by the square root of 2. The rules of radicals means that I can take the square root of the numerator divided by the denominator. So that's the square root of 20 divided by 2. And that can be simplified as the square root of 10. That will be your answer because the square root of 10 cannot be simplified any further because 10 is just 2 times 5. Let's look at letter B now. The square root of negative 48 divided by the square root of 24. Again, I want to simplify kind of. The square root of negative 48 can simplify as I times the square root of 48. Notice I didn't fully simplify it. The denominator has no negative, which means I can leave it as the square root of 24. I'm going to bring the I out front, so that gives me I, and then I just have the square root of 48 divided by the square root of 24. And just like before, I can put those into the same radical. I still have my I. 48 divided by 24 simplifies to 2. And the square root of 2 cannot be simplified any further. There's your answer.